Hey love bugs, it's Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. Guys, I got some beautiful butter cake for you today. It's so moist, it's buttery, it's delicious, and it's not overly sweet. That's the beauty of it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all my delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and share. So guys, we're going to put our butter into our mixer. Okay, everything must be at room temperature. And I do have the recipe in the description box below. We're going to slowly add our sugar. When I devised this recipe, I really wanted to make a cake that was simple, delicious, buttery, and not overly sweet. You don't need no frosting with it, but if you want to, you can. You could add confection sugar. You could add ice cream with it. Have it with a nice cup of coffee or cup of tea. It's delicious. It's just straight to the point, buttery. You could use any flavoring with it, but I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to use some vanilla. So we're going to beat that for about 5 to 10 minutes until it is light and fluffy. Okay? Don't forget to scrape down your bowl. You want to make sure everything is incorporated. We don't want anything to be left out. Very, very important step. So continue creaming that butter and sugar until it gets nice, light, and fluffy. Okay, so now it is light and fluffy, and we are going to start to add our eggs one at a time. One extra one slipped up in there, but that's okay. Okay, so you're going to continue beating it for 20 seconds after each egg. Okay, just make sure again your eggs, your butter is at room temperature. Your oh my God, just had a blank moment there. Your sour cream. Okay, make sure everything is well incorporated. I'm using sour cream for this because sour cream is going to give it that nice moistness, okay? If you don't have sour cream, you could use yogurt, okay? These two are preferred because it's going to keep the cake nice and moist. Okay, so we're going to scrape the sides of our bowl, very important. We want to make sure everything is not left out of the equation. Everything should be well incorporated. And if you can, guys, you definitely could try to invest in one of these mixers. I know things might be hard right now. I mean, it took me a minute to get this KitchenAid mixer. But, you know, even if you don't have that right now, you could get a hand mixer. Because doing everything manually by hand is not the move. It's not. So, you know, at least if you have a hand mixer, you know, makes a big difference, especially when you're baking. Okay, so we're gonna continue to add our eggs one at a time. And again, this is the kind of cake, if you want to add some, I'm just keeping it simple, but if you want to grate some lemon, lime, or orange, it's a good combination, okay? Good addition to the cake. So right now, I'm going to show you how to butter your pan. I'm using a loaf pan. I got this from IKEA years ago. I think it's really cute. But you could bake this in a bundt pan, or you could bake this in a regular, I would say a 9 by 3 inch pan. that you have. I really like this, so we're going to butter our pan like this. And we are going to add some flour. We want to coat it and make sure all of the pan is well coated with that flour, and just get rid of any excess flour. And we want to have it just like this. And we're going to put this to the side. Okay, we're going to have our oven preheated at 325. Okay, and right now our eggs are incorporated. So now we are going to gently, on low speed, add our flour. Okay, we just want to incorporate our flour, so you know I'm not waiting between each addition. You know, I'm adding it by spoonfuls. When that flour disappears, I add it in, because we don't want to overmix this batter, okay? All our dry ingredients are in the flour, which is our salt, our baking powder is well mixed in and sifted. Again, the ingredients are in the description box below. Okay, now we're going to add our sour cream, and you could add your vanilla or whatever other flavoring here, okay? If you have almond flavoring, use almond flavoring. If you want to use orange, it's a great addition. Lemon, you know, you could grate some lemon peel and add lemon extract, but I'm just keeping it simple with some simple vanilla, okay? Okay, on very low speed, just to get everything incorporated. And we're going to stop. Okay, I just want to mix any dry ingredients that are left over, and I am going to put my batter into my loaf pan. Okay, and guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all my delicious recipes. And don't forget to share and like, okay? Okay, we're going to put this in a preheated oven for about an hour and 15 minutes until nice and golden brown, and until it springs back in the middle. We're going to smooth the top. As you can see, it's a light, thick batter, but at the same time, the batter has like a lightness to it. Really buttery, guys. Okay, and we are going to tap the pan at least 3 to 4 times just to ensure there's no air bubbles in our batter. And guys, here we go. Look at that. It's so beautiful, nice and brown, so moist, guys, so delicious. Let it cool. It tastes better for some reason the next day, even the third day, okay? Just have a good time with it. Enjoy it. It's so moist. It's so just buttery, simple. You don't need no icing. Have it with a cup of coffee or tea, and just enjoy it, guys. Just enjoy it. And just let everybody know, Jackie's cooking. Okay, enjoy.